that's the complex way to draw a reference image because we are using ArcGIS. There is another way to do it that is much simpler. The first one is just to take the 4 points that we converted into latitude and longitude, to use the software Blue Marble to convert them, and then to go to, as an example, Google Earth, and just use satellite imagery to add an image like that. Just change try to put the image to fit with the wells. Here we go. So for this one, is it correct? I'm not sure. It wasn't correct. So this one could be used because we have very good information, satellite imagery information. That's the quickest way to do it. Of course, we can after what we can do is just plug the wells one by one to export the coordinates. It takes time, but in ArcGIS it will be the same. What we will need to do is to just change the output, the frame. I would like decimal degree. But what you will have to do is to plot the wells one by one and then to export the coordinates. You can create a table with all of your different wells and then export them all and compare mass load, mass update, and so on. So, does anybody has a question? So you have to practice. You need to find images, you need to treat the images, then you need to play a little bit. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I will review my workflow and just to make sure it works. And if you have any questions,
what do you think is the best GIS format? Or
you mean between Google Earth or ArcGIS?
GIS or Google Earth?
So if you have very good quality of satellite imagery, you can use Google. I think it's quicker. After, if you don't have it and or it's not very clear or whatever, it's much better to use ArcGIS. But you need to have the XY data and also the coordinate system. Yeah. For offshore wells, sometimes it's pretty useful. If you have field development plan with a different bottom location, for bottom location, for example, because you actually don't see the bottom location of the wells. Yeah. Also, it depends. If it's one field, it could be okay. But if it's an entire project, you can do a lot of things. I know that Luc Cadin did it for Africa and for Chad, I think. He has managed to plot a lot of different ArcGIS maps on ArcGIS. So he has full coverage of the country of multiple images. I did it for, also it depends on the number of wells and so on. I can show you an example for that one. Originally, I received something like that. I can maybe open the file. So you can see on the top that there was like 9 different sheets of base map of surface location of Trinidad and Tobago. think there was, I don't know if there is information about the datum projection. So there was no information about the datum projection, but hopefully there was very good satellite imagery data. So what I had to do is I had to deal with something like that. So it wasn't particularly friendly user. So what I did, because there was 9 different sheets, the first step was to clean a little bit the PDF file. As you know, a PDF file is it's not a raster, it's a vector. It's a vector. So what I did basically is I slightly update the PDF to something much easier to read, even if sometimes it was still tricky. But at least we can see the center of the point on it's much easier to read. So it was a long project. So I had to put all of these, the 9 different sheets on ArcGIS on one project. Then I had to create like 11,000 wells manually by adding the one name, the one number. After the coordinates can be automatically calculated from ArcGIS. As soon as you have a point, you have the coordinates that can be extracted into a table. Then I compare with what we had in queries, and in the end, mass load the wells. I've got a before-after image, but I don't remember right somewhere. So it was a long project. Now, and what is great is that the image on ArcGIS on heading, you will see the data is great. So it has been decided to go ahead because of that. Yeah. It was a good project. A very long one, but interesting. And what's great is that clients contacted us asking us, okay, it seems that you have a lot of wells that are missing in Trinidad and Tobago. And I think that a couple of weeks, 2 weeks after, it took me 2 months to complete the project. But 2 weeks after, all the wells were loaded, and we contacted the client and said, wow, this is amazing. So the only issue that we have, you can imagine, is that we are missing the dates on the TDs, but it has been decided only to mass load the development wells and not the exploratory wells, because exploratory wells it's more complicated and we cannot guess anything, so it's tricky. But for development wells, the team, the editor said that okay, fair enough, we are going to miss things. We can maybe estimate for years, approximate year. But yeah, for TDs, we can do nothing. So yeah, we in the end, because of the client request and also because of the quality of the satellite imagery, it has been decided to mass load the well, even knowing that we will miss dates on TDs. Maybe at some point we will have data. I doubt, but yeah. So it was something that we can do with ArcGIS. And this is an excellent example why we should use ArcGIS in this case. And for the other one, the small one, this one, because we are talking about like 100 wells maximum. You can easily do it with Google Earth. So the idea is to plot the wells roughly by entering the name here, and so on, and then to remove the image and to adjust slightly the well, just that it fits perfectly with the well path that we can obviously see on the satellite imagery. Sorry over there. And as soon as you have that, what you can do, if you create like a folder, you call it you put your wells in. I will give it just from the names. 1, properties, 2, 3. Then I save the folder as a KML, not KMZ. The difference between KML and KMZ, the KML is only is a format that you can read, and the KMZ is compressed, but it keeps the image information inside the file, which is not the case of a KML. So I select KML. Yeah, correct. Yeah, if yeah, I should have selected KML. Okay, with a KML, if you edit it, you can see that it's like a HTML format or something like that. What you can do is just copy paste your data and you can put it into Excel. And after, by using simple tricks, you select all the names. So you have the well names and the coordinates. Then you just delete that, shift it off, and you have your well name and your coordinate from a KML file. So you don't need to copy paste all the coordinates of your wells one by one into an Excel spreadsheet. You create your KML folder, you have a Google Earth folder to plot all to your wells. Then in 1 minute you have the coordinates. That's what we can call kind of automation instead of doing it manually. So if you have any question, I will be there until the end of the week. Then go back to the snow. Yeah, actually it snowed yesterday. So thank you.
This format can be viewed in